Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 31 of chapter 7, section 8. Determine whether the integral is convergent or divergent. Integral -2 to 3, 15 over x to the power 4 dx. As normal, we will call this integral as I and we will evaluate this integral. Notice that the integrand is a constant divided by x to the power 4. So the integrand is not defined at x equal to 0, which occurs between -2 and 3. So this is an improper integral and it is an improper integral of type 2. Why is it type 2? Because the integrand is not defined at 0 and 0 is a value between -2 and 3. So there is an asymptote at the interval of integration. So it is improper integral type 2. So we are going to divide the integral into two parts. -2 to 0, 15 over x to the power 4 dx plus 0 through 3, 15 over x to the power 4 dx. So we have something like -2 through 3 and then somewhere 0 occurs in the middle, somewhere between 2. So we are going to integrate between these two intervals. So we will call I as I1 plus I2. Even if one of them is divergent, then the whole integral is divergent. If one of them is convergent, we have to find out the other one and see whether it is convergent or divergent. So let's do the first part, I1, which is integral -2 to 0, 15 over x to the power 4 dx. So 15 can be taken out. We'll apply the improper integral technique. 15 times limit t approaches 0 from the left. That's -2 to t, 15 over x to the power 4 or 1 over x to the power 4 dx. So it is 15 outside, limit t approaches 0 from the left, integral -2 through t, x to the -4 dx. So I1 would be 15 times, now we will apply the limit at the end. Limit is t approaching 0 from the left, 0 minus. Integral of e to the x to the -4 is x to the -3 over -3. So between -2 through t approaches 0 minus. So it is negative here. So 15 over -3, that will be a -5. Now limit as t approaching 0 from the left. We'll have t to the -3, then minus -2 to the power of -3. So it will be -5, limit t approaches 0 from the left, 1 over t cube. Then we have minus, this will be 1 over -2 to the power 3. That will be 1 over -8. So it is -5. T 1 over t cube at t approaches 0 minus. So this will be a negative infinity. This part will be negative infinity. You already have a -5 outside. So it will be positive infinity. And this part is negative 1 over -8. So that will be positive 1 over 8. So it is just some negative 5 times negative infinity, that will be a very large value, infinity. Because the first integral turns out to be infinity, we don't even have to find out what the second integral is. In this case, I being I1 plus I2, I1 is infinity already. So we can conclude the integral, the improper integral, is divergent. Hope this video helps.